At All Starr Floor Care Solutions, we have a variety of services with different packages to suit your needs. This video will outline those services and each level of service you can choose from. First, we offer commercial VCT floor stripping and waxing. This service has 2 different levels to choose from. Our first level includes removing the old dirt, wax, and debris from your flooring and reapplying a fresh new coat using 4 to 5 coats of wax. Our second level includes everything in Starr Level 1, plus we will also mask around the baseboards, corners, and carpeted areas. The next service we offer is the deep scrub and recoat. We offer 2 levels to choose from for this service. The first level includes a deep re-scrub and recoat of hard surfaces for removal of old wax, dirt, and debris. The second level includes everything in the first Starr level, plus we mask around the baseboards, corners, and carpeted areas. Next, we have the commercial carpet cleaning service. This service has 3 Starr levels. In the first level, we will steam clean and use an extraction system with non-toxic, non-odor, non-soap, and biodegradable detergents for basic removal of dirt and debris. The second level includes everything in the first level, plus we will use a PCS bleach for high traffic areas. The third Starr level will include everything in the second Starr level, plus we will remove all stains. We also offer janitorial services. We offer 2 levels to choose from for this service. Our first Starr level is our basic package. We will clean and sanitize offices, kitchens, and break rooms. We'll clean and dust desks, counters, and surfaces, empty garbage, recycling, and replace all liners. We will also vacuum and edge carpeted areas, and we will sweep, mop, and sanitize floors. Our second Starr level is a deep clean package. For this level, we will do everything in Starr Level 1, but even more thorough than the first level. Lastly, we offer electrostatic disinfectant as one of our services. This service provides a great way to safely and quickly disinfect your place of business. For more information or to schedule a service, please call 410-826-5100 or visit our website at www.allstarfcs.com.